Hello student. Today topic is a content technology. What is a content technology? The term content technology refers to different types of content that are transferred or sent using different communication channel and on different devices such as mobile, laptop, computer, etc. These has made the content an important aspect today. Okay, different types of contents that can be transmitted on different communication channel are as follows: data, information, multimedia, text, images, audio, video, animations. These are a content technology. So first is a data. Data is a raw, unanalyzed, unorganized, unrelated, and an uninterrupted entity. You can say that data refers to the raw facts and figure. It can be anything that is made up of alphabet, numbers, and symbol. Okay? It is derived from the Latin word datum, which means something given. There are multiple forms of data such as numbers, letter, character, images, graphics. And measuring unit of data are bits, nibble, byte, kilobyte, gigabyte, megabyte, etc. So that are a data. So you can say that unorganized, raw and facts figure of numbers, that is a data. Okay. After process these data to convert into a meaningful information. So next topic is a information. When a data is processed, it conveys something meaningful which becomes an information. That means processed data is information which is accurate, systematized, understandable, relevant and timely. It is derived from the French verb informera, which means to inform. Information is equal to data plus meaning. When data convey something meaningful data, then it becomes a information. Information is critical in sense. It comes in the second level of intelligence hierarchy. For example, 1611-2001 can be someone birthday stored in date, month, year format such as 16/11/2001. So 16th is a date and 11 is a month and 2001 is a year. So that is a information. But if you write in 16/11/2001 without any slash, so that is a data. And after process you written in 16/11/2001, so it becomes it a information. C can be grade scored by a student in the examination. Okay, if you write only C, so that is a information, that is a data. But if you write grade is equal to C, so that is convey the meaningful information that C can be grade scored by a student in the examination. Okay. Next example, if you write 8720956737, only write this number, so that is a data. But if you write mobile number is equal to 8720956737, so that is a mobile number. Okay. Thus you can say that raw facts and figure are data, and after processing it becomes information that is useful and meaningful. Okay. Here is example. Firstly see this example. That is a data example. Okay. Only write here number without any information. But here write some information. Sweet Treat Bakery first month sale is equal to 23,100 dollar. So that is a information. The first month sale is a 23,100 rupees, and second month sale is a 28,500 rupees, and third month is a 35,900 rupees. So if you see this example, then you give meaningful information, then you convey something meaningful. Okay, but if you write only this number, then it is a data, because if you see this number, you cannot understand anything. But if you see this number, you understand that is a first month sale, second month sale, and third month sale. So that is a information. Okay guys. Input, processing, output. Input: data that is inserted into the information system, that is the input. Data processing: alternation and manipulation of data in the information system. And output: result generated from the information system after processing the data. And storage: result can be unprocessed data is stored in the storage device. Okay, so that is a stages of the processing. Firstly, you give the input, and after giving input, it processes the data, and after processing data, it gives the output. And this output is a information that gives a something meaningful information. Okay, and you store this data is stored in the storage device, so that is the storage devices. Okay, quality of the information depend upon the below given factor. Accuracy of the information. Okay, if you give the correct data, then you find out a correct information. Okay, for example, if you write 2 into 2, then you give the information 4. But by mistake, if you write a 2 into 3, then it gives the information 6. But you feel that this information is incorrect, because you feel that you think that I give a 2 into 2, so it gives a 4 answer, but it gives a 6 answer because you give the incorrect output. Okay, so always give correct input, then it gives the correct output. That means if you give the correct data, then it gives the correct information. How easily one can understand a piece specific information? The relevance for a particular use, how up to date the information is. Okay, so what is the difference between data and information? First difference, in a data, it does not depend on information. Okay, but in information, it relies on data. Measured in bits and bytes in data, but in information, measured in meaningful units like time, quality, etc. No specific arrangement exists, but in information, properly organized data. Data may not be utilized anywhere. Information valuable and can be utilized. Okay, so that is a difference between data and information. Next topic is a multimedia. Multimedia, you see this word multimedia. Multimedia is made up of two words, multi plus media. Multi means many or multiple, that means refer to multiple, and media refers to different types of content, such as different types of media of communication, such as text, images, audio, video, animation, etc. Okay, so the multimedia term, the multimedia refer to the presentation of information and instruction through a combination of graphics, audio, text, or video, multimedia instruction is often interactive. You can say that the term multimedia refers to different types of content that can be transmitted through the communication channel. Transmission of multimedia content over communication channel has brought a lot of advancement. For example, you can send a text file to your friend using email. You can watch video on YouTube. You can listen to song online or even play games online, etc. These are a multimedia. Okay. Multimedia uses text, images, audio, video, graphics and animation. Okay. Uses of multimedia in various fields: advertising, education sector, mass media, creative industries, commercial uses, entertainment and fine arts, engineering, mathematical and scientific research, medicine. In these fields use a multimedia. Uses of multimedia. लेज़र शोन इन अ लाइव मल्टीमीडिया परफॉर्मेंस. देख लीजिए, लेज़र शोन इन द लाइव मल्टीमीडिया परफॉर्मेंस. सी दिस पिक्चर. A presentation using PowerPoint, corporate presentation, may combine all forms of media content. In this presentation, use audio, video, graphics, etc. So it is a combination of presentation using multimedia content. Okay. Virtual reality uses multimedia content applications and deliver platforms of multimedia are virtually limitless. Okay. So these are a various field of multimedia. So first multimedia is a text. Here text, that means collection of characters. Use input. You give the character through the keyboard using input and output. Monitor and printer. In a monitor and printer you see the output. Software, Notepad, MS Word. In these software use written a text, so that is use these software for using the text. Type, that means extension of this file, extension of the character text file, that is a .txt. .txt, that is a notepad file. .doc, MS Word file. .rtf file, so that is the extension of text file. Okay. So text content is the most common media type in computer application. Most multimedia system use a combination of text and other media to deliver the functionality. Okay. So that is a text file. You can say that text is a collection of character using input, keyboard, and for output monitor and printer, and for software using MS Word, Notepad, and extension, type of this file is a .txt, .doc, etc. Okay. Next one is the images. Images is the digital representation of any virtual captured object. आप images को you captured in any camera. Okay. So that is a images file. Okay. Digital images file appear in many multimedia application. Digital photographs can display application content or an alternative form part of user interface. Interactive elements such as button often use custom images created by the designer and developer. Okay. So for using input use camera, and for output you see the output in a monitor and printer, and use software for seeing this output: Photoshop, MS Paint and Picasa. Okay. These are a software of images. And type, you use a .jpeg extension, .png extension, .bmp extension or .tiff extension. These are a extension of these file. Okay. So that is a image. Next topic is the audio, that is a multimedia type. Okay. Audio is a sound vibration generated by sound card and heard by speaker. Audio files and stream play a major role in multimedia system. Audio files appear as a part of application content, also to facilitate interaction. When they appear, within the web application and website. Audio files sometimes need to be deployed using plugin media player. Plugin media player, plugin media, what is a plugin media player? Plugin is a small addition in the software that is installed onto a program and enables the program to perform additional features. For example, plugin can be installed to play an audio or video file which is available online. Okay, that is a plugin. So in a audio you use a plugin system. For input you use a microphone. Through the microphone you give the input, and for listening this input you use a speaker, that is the output. And software you use a Filmora, Audacity, Twisted Wave, ठीक है, VLC, media video, Windows media player, that is a software where you listen these audio files. Okay, type of this file, yeah, extension of this audio file .wav, .mp3, .aac, that is the extension of audio file. Next is a video. Video is sequential collection of images या frame. That means digital video appear in multimedia application particular on the web. As with video, website can stream digital video to increase the speed and availability of playback. Common digital video format include Flash, MPG, AVI. So see this example. Using video camera you capture the input. Okay, using monitor you see the output. Using software movie maker, Filmora, KineMaster used for editing, and VLC, Windows media player for watching this video, that is a software. And type of video, yeah, extension of this file .mp4, .flv, .mov, that is the extension of video file. Okay, next topic is the animation. Animation is imaginary video created by a software. Okay, animated components are common within both web and desktop multimedia application. Animation can also include interactive effect allowing user to engage with the animation action using their mouse and keyboard. Okay, for capture या for created this animation या imaginary video using a software. So using some software for input the animation. For watching the animation using a monitor output. Okay, for using this animation, for creating this animation use Flash, 3D Max, Maya. This is a editing software of animation. VLC media player, Windows media player, that is a watching of this animation in this software. Type of this software is a extension of this software is a .gif, .flic, .mng, that is a extension of animation files. So students, that is a multimedia files and that is a digital content technology. Okay students, thank you.